Hey, Shadow. Could you go get me the paper? The paper's out there. You go get the paper for me? Good girl. There she goes. Hurry up, Shadow. Go get the paper. Go get the paper. Good girl, Shadow. That saves me going up to get it. Gotta check the neighborhood out, make sure everything's okay. Okay. Good girl, Shadow. Good girl. Come on. That's a big load, eh? Come on, Shadow. Good girl. Good girl. Bring the paper in. Okay, okay. Good girl. Yeah. Boy, she gets all excited. Thank you. Good girl. Now what do we get? Here we go. That's her pay.